Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Dye Tips. Today, I've got an incredible tip for you that will save you money and keep those old razors out of the trash. So, you've got a razor that seems beyond repair, right? Well, watch closely because I'm about to show you a simple trick that will bring it back to life. First, grab a glass container like this. I've got some hot water here that I heated on the stove for about 5 minutes. Now let's add a tablespoon of salt to the water. Next up, we're going to need white vinegar. Add another tablespoon of white vinegar to the mix. And finally, a tablespoon of alcohol. Mix it all up really well. Now, you might be wondering how this concoction is going to save your razor. Well, here's the science behind it. When we use razors, they gradually lose their sharpness due to the buildup of hair and bacteria. The salt and white vinegar work together to soften and remove these impurities, while the alcohol helps eliminate any bacteria on the blade. Now take the razors you want to refresh and place them in the mixture. Cover it up and let it sit for about 30 minutes. All right, while we wait, let me tell you why this works. The mixture breaks down the gunk on the blade, essentially giving your razor a second life. Okay, time's up, let's see the results. Check this out. The razor has been revitalized and it's ready to go. Look at that! It's like a brand new razor. No need to throw away your old ones anymore. And there you have it, folks. A simple trick to save your razors from the trash. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who needs to give their old razors a second chance.